Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the cryptocurrencies as usual on Mondays. So as you can see, performance in recent few sessions that we have considered since we last time have taken a look at on Thursday. It actually brings not big changes to the picture on the weekly chart. We see that market showing its minor bounce, but in general this stands in a real tight range, showing some kind of the flag consolidation. Here the market has formed the Polish reversal week, and actually it is not erased yet, so market is calling inside of its range. From the technical point of view, it seems nothing really bad, so market keeps the Polish chances valid, despite that we have bearish trend here. So overall performance based on this hand shoulders acceleration, reaching the OP, minor and tight pullback, all this stuff has mostly the bullish character. But at the same time, we are actually not occasionally pay much attention to the fundamental background. And in last hour fundamental report on the Bitcoin that we have released in last week, and additionally on the Forex report this week, we have taken a look at the recent fundamental factors. And actually they're not really very friendly to performance of the risky assets, not only to the Bitcoin, but to the stock market, to the commodities as well. So, and the things that we see currently, it might be just the silence before the storm. Despite that we have the Polish picture, I am really a bit worried that it actually could be broken very soon. So that's why we should be extra careful and pay additional attention to possible bearish signs on a longer time frame. Just to remind you, if you remember on the weekly chart, we said that this is widely area. It's here actually the signing I have made last month. It's because breakout of this from the technical point of view, it will be a significant hurt on the bullish sentiment, on the bullish background. And in this case, we could be ready and we could get actually downside continuation right to the major target that we have on the weekly monthly chart. We will see. Meantime, on the lower time frames, it's also some warning signs are appearing. So let's take a look on the daily chart. General market stands in a tight downside continuation. Here, I just for some time just switch off the MACD predictor, just not keep picture clearly. So you can see what the performance we have here. Market completes the OP, this head and shoulders first target, shows the pullback. Now it's returning right back down. So if we suggest that market stands in a long-term bullish trend that we're just talking about on the weekly chart, supposedly so retracement reaching the OP, and so when the market already turns up, it should be upward continuation. Here we still do not see it yet. So market is returning right back down. Okay, we could suggest right, it's no problem. It doesn't break the bullish context. Market just showing the pullback. Here is a retracement after first upward swing. It's also normal, so no problems. And as we explained last time, that will be the major vital area for the bulls. I mean in the short term. Because breaking of this area, return back to the OP, it will be already irrational. So what really is going on? Market completes the OP. We have the bullish context. So first retesting OP, attempt to go higher, failure, return it back down, break out all the support areas, and retesting OP once again. So this will be bearish. And if market will drop right back down, it means that we are going lower. With the nearest target that we could set, yes, we have the XOP 2340. Approximately, but additionally I suppose that we will get here in this case kind of the butterfly pattern if market failed to reverse up. Let's take a look. 127 will be around 25.22, It's agreement with the first fib level, as you can see right there. 1618 will be approximately 2430. That's very close to the 2395. So both target stands in general around confluence support. And if market will keep going lower and entering this confluence, well, I suppose that XOP also will be touched sometime later. So that's the area that we need to keep an eye on, and potentially, in a case if market will drop back to the lows of the OP. And that will be also the vital point for the bulls on the weekly chart. So we need to see what will happen around. So this is absolutely vital for the market to turn up, I mean for the bullish market, to turn up right from this point. Because if it will not do this, and we show the breakout to the downside, this will be rolled to the 12 even, 12.50. It's major OP target on the monthly chart. So as you can see, lots of important stakes right now stands on the table, and targets and levels are very important right now. This market, how it will behave around it. So now let's take a look on the intraday charts and see what's going on there. Currently, you see that bearish pressure is rising, especially if you take a look at the other markets, Forex market, euro currency in particular, and recall all the things that we have said in recent weekly report in the gold market and the Forex market. So take a look what performances happened. On Thursday we said that this is vital area. You could try to take the long position if you'd like to, because you will be able to place very tight stop, and it is absolutely important for the bullish market to hold there and start upward action. So that's the point where bullish upward continuation has to start. If this will not happen, I already explained what it will be. And take a look what we have. Absolutely anemic upward pullback. So no thrusting action, no signs of the reversal after the reaching XOP in agreement with this area. And now markets are returning right back down. This is bad sign, guys. This is big chances that we will get the breakouts here and possible downward continuation. So in current circumstances, personally, I do not want to take the new long position on the Bitcoin. If you have taken it here, your stop probably already at break even, maybe you already booked some result. In the current circumstances, well, if market will start forming something, some pattern, some more bullish signs, maybe it will reverse up once again, up from here, we will see. But in the current moment, the market sharp reversal and downside continuation here, some acceleration, is not good sign to consider. Besides, recall what we said about the possible reversal pattern in the lower time frame. We said keep an eye on possible head and shoulders. Maybe we'll get something. Well, here's, yes, some signs you could recognize, some kind of the hand and shoulders, but this performance here and still extended right arm, it means that market really has not enough power to start bullish action. This is actually was the struggling for attempt to go up. Market was not dropping too low, but it also simultaneously was not able to start upward action. This what actually extended right arm tells us. And finally, you can see bulls is capitulating right now. So that's how we view. If you would like to take the long position, I would make the following things. So first of all, take a look at the daily. Let's return back to the MACD predictor. If we will get the grabber here on the daily chart by today close, and market will be able to stay above this area. For instance, it will drop there and then return back up, close somewhere at the current levels, giving us the daily grabber. That's theoretically might be used for possible taking a long position once again with the same stops below this level. Currently, I prefer to wait. Bears right now also not many things to do, because you need to get clear signs that market breaks and erasing the bullish context that it has here. So for the purpose, you need to see the breakout down below this area, and the market should stay there and grabber should not be formed. So probably your decision making will come tomorrow. So that's what we have on the Bitcoin situation. Really interesting. A lot of patterns are forming. So let's see how situation will develop here.